How to turn off Safe Search on iPhone. To turn off this feature which is available on iPhone, that is Safe Search on your iPhone, first of all you have to launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings home page, scroll down, there you will see screen time option, tap on that. Once you go through the screen time, there you will see content and privacy restrictions. Go through it and toggle it on. You need to enter your passcode. Then, on the fourth option, you will see Store Web, Siri, and Game Center content. Go through it and tap on Web content and make sure it is set to unrestricted. If it is set to limit adult websites or only approved websites, then you have to switch it back to unrestricted. Once you are done, you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily turn off Safe Search on iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.